Morning, Badger Piper coming at you. Got a little something to show you, a project I was working on. It's kind of a Frankenstein cob right now because I was just trying some stuff out. So, I guess I'll just show it to you. Yeah, it needs a little work yet. You see our shape in the bowl. It's another one of those Pony Expresses, or whatever they're called when they're not finished. I believe they don't call them a Pony Express no more. And when they are finished, they are. I don't know. Some of those cobs get weird with their names, you know. So yeah, it's pretty much one of those little guys with an added stem here of another corn cob, and it's kind of fitted down to a different mouthpiece. Like I said, it's more of an experiment, and that's why these little cheap cobs are fun to do. I mean, they don't have big bowls or stuff, but you can really play with them and not, like I said before, not ruin a bigger pipe. And if it looks good on here, if you like what it does on here, you learn a couple things. You can always scale it up to a bigger pipe if you'd like. So where did I get this from? Glad you asked. Indian corn. You can find it at probably a grocery store right now. So it's a little messed up because I had a little wood glue spill, but I had another bigger cob of this I got from the grocery store I seen when I was walking in, and it's fairly inexpensive, so I thought I'll give it a shot and see what happens. The nice part about this stuff is dried down and rock hard already. And once you get going, it's not that hard to strip the kernels off of here at all. Now, is it going to be big enough to do a pipe in itself? No. Is it as big as a Missouri Meerschaum cob? Absolutely not. But to do stuff like this, yeah, to add stems, this is probably about the third piece up, second or third piece I chopped off of it. So this ain't even the base. I mean, obviously they get pretty small as you go up, but, and this right here it's a filtered mouthpiece. You know, so I mean, you can get, you know, a pretty good size one to do like a little stem if you want. And obviously if it was for more of the base of the cob, it would be bigger yet if you wanted to. Gives you a little room to sand down. I guess it really depends about how big you want it. If that helps you out at all, just a place to find some cobs if you want to add some spills or thrills to your cobs. Check out the Indian corn. You know, obviously find the biggest cob you can, and like I said, it's already dry. It's bone dry. So this was kind of just a little experiment. I was even like shaping the bottom here and just seeing how it looked. It's got some work yet to do, but I did smoke it already once. And with this natural unfinished bowl, and now this bigger shank or chamber on it, it's maybe a little bit longer. I don't know. It's one cool customer. This thing will not get hot on you, so that was kind of neat. I mean, you could try and get this hot and it still smokes really cool, but I hope you guys find that helpful. I got some things to do, and you guys have a good day.